Illinois' controversial Safety Act legislation may be on the books, but the pros and cons are still being debated, even among state lawmakers within the same political party.
WGN's Dana Rebick has a story this afternoon.
The Safety Act is already law in Illinois, but on January 1st, cash bail will end under the Pretrial Fairness Act. One state lawmaker is now proposing some changes to that legislation, and others within his own party fear that those tweaks could be doing more harm than good.
Right now, the system is broken, and I am proud of my partners in the survivor advocacy community for coming to the table and staying at the table and getting changes that will make us all safer.
But State Representative Kelly Cassidy says some of the changes they fought for in the Safety Act are being threatened.
We're here standing in solidarity, letting you know that we are not going to take a step back.
After consulting with local law enforcement, downstate Democratic Senator Scott Bennett introduced Senate Bill 4228, which he says clarifies language in the current Pretrial Fairness Act. It broadens the net of who can be held behind bars before trial, from an offender who poses a threat to a specific person to being a threat to an individual or the community. Opponents feel this could potentially continue clogging up the court system.
In bond court right now, you might have a 3-hour session where you hear 100, 150 cases at 30 seconds each. What we need is to be able to spend that 10, 15, 20 minutes on a case that really needs it.
They worry under this language there would be a presumption of detention rather than release. Another provision they're concerned about, removing language that requires states' attorneys notify victims of their perpetrators' detention hearings and releases from custody.
We need this clear guidance, and we need these clear communication channels. Senate Bill 4228 would unfortunately jeopardize the safety of survivors.
State Senator Scott Bennett says, quote, "As a former prosecutor, I understood the importance of presuming innocence for individuals before being proven guilty, supporting police, and keeping violent criminals out of our neighborhoods. Senate Bill 4228 is an effort to improve consistency in the Safety Act and allow law enforcement officials to continue to effectively perform their duties and protect our communities." When lawmakers go back into session next month, they could take up this bill. It could be amended before it would even make it to the floor for a vote. Coming up tonight at St. Sabina, there is a community roundtable with a discussion on the Safety Act. We'll bring you more on that tonight at 9. In the newsroom, Dana Rebick, WGN News.